Okay, welcome to Domain 6, Security Fundamentals Practice, Training Day Edition. This isn't a ride along, it's your digital patrol. Every system you protect is another block you keep clean. To pass, you'll need to think like Alonzo, anticipate the threat, but act like Hoyt. Ethical, precise, unshakable. Let's roll. Question 1. When Hoyt locks his evidence folder in the cruiser trunk so Alonzo can't tamper with it, which principle of the CIA Triad is he enforcing? A. Integrity. B. Availability. C. Confidentiality. D. Accountability. Correct answer is C. Confidentiality. Only authorized personnel should access sensitive data. Hoyt protects his evidence from unauthorized eyes. Question 2. Alonzo boasts he runs his own program, ignoring department rules. A disciplined security team would instead follow, and please make sure you know your acronyms before you sit the exam. A. Information Technology Infrastructure Library. B. National Institute of Standard and Technology Cybersecurity Framework. C. Control objectives for information and related technologies. D. Payment card industry data security standard. The correct answer is B. National Institute of Standards and Technology Cybersecurity Framework, or better known as NIST CSF. NIST CFF sets the lawful playbook for identify, protect, detect, respond, recover, the opposite of Alonzo's chaos. Question 3. When Hoyt flashes his badge at the precinct door, he's proving identity. The sergeant deciding what rooms he can enter demonstrates what? A. Authentication. B. Authorization. C. Auditing. D. Accounting. The correct answer is B. Authorization. Remember, authentication verifies who you are, but authorization defines what you can access. Question 4. Alonzo hands Hoyt a shotgun during his first stop, just in case. From a security view, that breaks which principle? A. Defense in depth. B. Least privilege. C. Zero trust. D. Failover. The correct answer is B. Least privilege. Access should match role and need. Giving excessive tools invites risk. Question 5. When Alonzo sweet talks the Sandman's wife to open the door, what attack technique is that like? A. Phishing. B. Tailgating. C. Social engineering. D. Brute force. The correct answer is C. Social engineering. Manipulating trust to bypass security. No hacking needed. Words can be malware. Alonzo tells Hoyt, if it looks too easy, it's a setup. Which email scenario fits that advice? A. Boss sends a request for gift cards urgently. B. Routine HR letter. C. System update from known portal. D. Personal reminder from yourself. The correct answer is A. Boss sends a request for gift cards urgently. Urgency and authority mimic phishing traps. Question 7. Hoyt logs into the evidence system using a password and a fingerprint scanner. This is A. Two-factor authentication. B. Single sign-on. C. Encryption. D. Certificate authority. The correct answer is A. Two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication combines something you know, password, and something you are, biometrics. Question 8. When Alonzo drives a bullet-riddled car, refusing repairs, it's like ignoring A. Firmware updates. B. Patch management. C. Firewalls. D. VPN policies. And the correct answer is B. Patch management. Neglecting updates leaves vulnerabilities open to attack, or bullets in this case. Question 9. Hoyt uses Training Day 2000 as his new password. What's missing from this best practice? A. Length. B. Complexity. C. Uniqueness. D. It includes too obvious text. The correct answer is D. It includes too obvious context. Avoid movie titles, names, or predictable words tied to you when making passwords. Question 10. Alonzo scribbles network passwords in his filled notebook. Best practice instead? A. Share with trusted partner. B. Use a password manager. C. Save to browser autofill. D. Keep unencrypted text file. The correct answer is B. Use a password manager. Password managers encrypt credentials, unlike physical notes. Question 11. When Hoyt radios dispatch with coded phrases so dealers can't understand, this mirrors A. Hashing. B. Encryption. C. Obfuscation. D. Compression. Correct answer is B. Encryption. Only authorized receivers can decode transmissions. Question 12. Two detectives exchange public keys to send secure reports. This uses A. Symmetric encryption. B. Asymmetric encryption. C. Steganography. D. One-time pads. The correct answer is B. Asymmetric encryption. A public key locks, but a private key unlocks. Question 13. At the precinct, Alonzo connects to an open cafe Wi-Fi to file reports. What's wrong? A. The signal is too weak. B. No WPA3 encryption. C. Firewall is disabled. D. SSID is too long. The correct answer is B. No WPA3 encryption. Open Wi-Fi exposes data in transit. Use WPA3 or VPN for protection. Question 14. When Alonzo brings unreliable contacts into the office, Hoyt sets them in a separate room. In IT terms, that's A. Network segmentation. B. Port mirroring. C. Network address translation. D. Caching. The correct answer is A. Network segmentation. Guest networks isolate untrusted devices from core systems. Question 15. After Alonzo's operation goes bad, Hoyt immediately calls backup and secures the scene. What's his first step equivalent in cybersecurity? A. Eradication. B. Containment. C. Recovery. D. Post-incident review. The correct answer is B. Containment. Remember, isolate the affected system to stop further damage. Okay, and that's a wrap for Domain 6, Security Fundamentals. Remember, every click you protect equals one less compromise. Stay sharp, stay ethical, and never forget, trust is earned while access is audited. See you next time.